Hello friend, and welcome back again in this series of the lectures for the subject of engineering mechanics. I am Amol Kumbalkar from Indus Engineering Academy. Today's lecture is specially devoted to understand the concept of force. So what is force and how it should be remembered. So as in a previous class we discussed that the study of mechanics depends on the six fundamental principles. When we consider this subject where we have to study the effect and predict the conditions of a body under the action of forces, one must very clearly understand the concept of force. Most of the times we found that the people are making some mistakes and they are just taking it as casually, and they are not even the students are not aware, so they find very difficult in explaining the force. Most of the people says that the force is a kind of energy. They commit a mistake that it is a energy. Some say it's a power coming from somewhere and is acting on a body, and then there will be changes. But strictly speaking, from the mechanics point of view, from the understanding point of view, one must be very specific in their concepts. So the concept of force, the force cannot be considered immediately as like a energy, because what the energy is, what energy is the capacity to do work. And what is the work? Work is said to be done on a by a body or on a body when when any kind of a force acting on a body produces some displacement in it, then we can say that the work has done or work is done on the body. So for that, if we see that the force, the mathematical expression of work is equal to force into displacement, or force times of the displacement. So the displacement is known, and if the force is not known, or how can we consider, or how can we say that the force is identified? So the entity of force is yet unsolved. Similarly, some says that the force is a power or something. So power is what? Power is the rate of doing work. And again the work, so mathematically we can say that is the power is equal to work upon time. So work is what? Work is equal to F into S, just now what I told, and time per time. So the time parameter is known, displacement parameter known, the force is yet unsolved. So the force cannot be considered likewise that it is a power or energy. So for that, what we have to see is that the force should be understood by the concept of Newton's first law only. And we can remember the force instead of saying a define. We can remember the concept of force very clearly, and that will going to help you to solve and study the mechanics problems in future. So that is why we came here for this video. So what the Newton's first law says? Newton's first law says that every body continues to be in state of a rest or in a motion unless and until it has been acted by external unbalanced force. So the force is what, or from this definition, if we look at this definition, we can get the solution of the force itself. Now if we apply, if we just reverse this definition and see this in the reverse direction, we can get the definition or the concept of force very easily. So what it says, force is what? Force is a one kind of entity that changes or tends to change the state of condition of a body, that is either at rest or is in a motion. So by this way we can analyze and understand the concept of force. So it may be internal, external, contact, non-contact, whatsoever may be. We will see it in the later cases. So there is a entire topic is there for the analysis of a force system. We will study in detail there. Even the entire subject is related on the force. If we just take out the force from the mechanics, there is nothing remain in the mechanics. Then what is the use of the mechanics? So that is why we say that this is a kind of a way of presentations of our, that we can learn the concept by understanding the fundamental principles. So this is how the force can be recognized, and this is what I want to share with you, that how the force can be represented. So this is what for today's lecture. We will meet in our upcoming videos for the subject of the mechanics in succession order. So until we meet in the next video, I am signing off from this dash, and till then, bye.